1 cup of oatmeal, and then I fill it up with water from the faucet, and I'm gonna shake it like that. You see, it looks like the milk from the oats. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna let it sit for 2 hours, and we'll be back in 2 hours, and I'm gonna show you how to make Morir Sonando. It's a Dominican drink made out of oatmeal, oats, juice, and orange juice mixed together. And you'll see how wonderful and healthy this juice is. See you later, guys. Hey guys, and welcome back. I guess we've been on today like a few times, right? Like 2 or 3 times. So you guys remember this morning we said I was gonna make an oatmeal juice with orange juice mix, and this is the oats, and this is the thing of the oats, okay? Just regular 99 cents in your nearest supermarket, and go pay 99 cents, and you got yourself like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of oats that you can use it any way you want. And today we are gonna use it in a juice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need some oatmeal juice. Now, in order to get your oatmeal juice, you need water and you need oatmeal. And then you make oatmeal juice. And I showed you this morning, I took this pot and I fill it with water.
All right.
And as you can see, as I move, you see the oats.
Yes.
And you see the milk?
Yes.
Well, that is the milk of those oats that I've been like marinating for like what, how many hours? Like 2-3 hours, Mike?
Oh yeah.
That's gonna make me, I only had a little bit, like a half a cup of oats left.
Oh yeah.
But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go like this and stir it.
Stir it up, stir it up.
Oh, that noise is my coffee there, because Michael made some coffee, but he made it too light.
Too light.
So I put another spoon.
So my mom had to make it just right.
Yeah, because I like to have my afternoon coffee. But anyways, talking back about this oatmeal juice, this is a very refreshing juice. With all these hot months ahead of us that are coming.
Yeah.
You know,
What month is it?
Humid. Well, as
It's
of
May.
now, it's been warm throughout the whole East Coast. I'm in the middle coast, in the middle, right? We're in the middle.
Pretty much.
And then you have the West Coast, and it's been pretty much warm all over the states, like on and off. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is this is a great juice, very refreshing. So what you're gonna put a strainer.
Strain it up.
I know I need a new strainer, guys. You know, I'm working on it.
We're working on it.
And then that's a juice cup, right, Michael?
Yes.
Or whatever.
A pitcher.
Exactly. You're gonna put it through.
Wow. Just like
See
that.
that? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put it through like that.
And this is how Grandma
I got
used
my
to make
spoon
it?
for that. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And then with the spoon, you're gonna go like that.
Recipe passed down from generation
And then
to
you're gonna
generation.
take these, of
And that's
course.
oatmeal milk?
That's oatmeal milk.
It's white.
Of course it's white.
Wow.
Of course it's white. And now what you're gonna do is,
That's so
what
cool.
my mom does is my mom used to take.
And that's 100% gluten-free? Wow.
Yep, 100% gluten free.
Unbelievable.
Doesn't hurt
That's
you. You can
crisp.
make cookies.
That looks
out
like
of
coconut
it.
milk.
You can make bake cake pies. This is like one of
Really?
the milks that I can, yeah.
In the future,
that I can
we gotta
have,
make oatmeal cookies.
Huh?
We gotta make some sort of oatmeal cookies in the
Yeah,
future.
so anyway, I know this is not a cup. I don't know where my glasses are. Who knows?
Oh.
What is this?
Ooh,
Half a
that
cup,
is-
Michael?
Wait. Hold it still. Let me see. Wait, half a cup. Yes.
So anyway, this is just some regular OJ from the supermarket, $1.69.
That's right.
A supermarket brand. You can go to your nearest supermarket of your choice.
That's right.
Of your town. Get yourself some OJ.
With some good oranges.
And it's good oranges. It doesn't have
Who says
anything like this
$1.89
OJ.
orange juice can't be good?
$1.69.
69, even better.
So I say this is half a cup.
Juice it up.
So
juice
that's
it up.
half a cup. And another half a cup. That's 1 cup. We're not gonna put a lot of orange juice, just a little bit.
So is that
So
like
that's
2
1
cups
cup.
of oatmeal?
So and this juice has
2
kind
cups
of
of
like
oatmeal,
a weird. Yeah, you gotta put sugar in
to
it.
1 cup of orange juice.
Well, the oatmeal, that was how much oatmeal thing we have there, like a liter, right? Like half a gallon.
I guess you could say yes.
Like half a gallon, one of these.
Okay.
How much is this?
32 ounces is half of that.
So we had like half?
Yeah.
No,
That's
no,
half
a whole
of half a gallon.
Half a gallon
Yes.
is what we made in oatmeal, yes, out of a cup.
So a quarter
So then
gallon.
we're going to stir it together. Hold on, guys. I just gotta like to see if it needs more orange juice because you gotta mix it up. Hold on.
Mix it up, mix it up. How's it taste?
A little bit more of OJ.
Okay, so instead of 1 cup, 2 cups?
1.5 cup.
Okay.
That's what you need.
I knew it needed a little bit more orange
this is the
taste.
juice, exactly. And then we're gonna put some sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, yeah, you have to.
All right.
You have to put
This
sugar.
is a famous...
Almost everything goes with
This is
sugar.
a famous
Let me tell
Dominican
you,
beverage.
Yeah, you gotta put your sugar. You know
Sugar
what I'm saying?
up, sugar
I mean, if
up.
something comes with sugar, don't try to make it, oh, I'm on a diet. So then don't drink it. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, this is like gluten-free because it is a thing.
Orange juice and oatmeal.
Fat-free and those little envelopes of sugar, that's gonna make you sicker than you're taking in your regular sugar. You know
Correct.
what I'm saying? Just get your nice, you can get organic, regular sugar.
It looks like banana
So
juice
this is
now.
half a cup of sugar.
Coconut juice?
So you pour it in
It looks like banana juice.
and you mix. Huh?
It looks like banana juice.
Looks like banana juice.
Like there's a yellow tint to it.
Yeah, it's really
That's
nice.
cool.
And I'm not done yet.
So what else do you do?
This, you gotta refrigerate it. Hold on a second.
Ah,
So you also put
best served chilled.
a little bit of nutmeg.
Ooh.
And just, you know, and put a little duster. See?
Dust
Right
it up,
there.
dust it up.
Yeah, you're gonna put some flavors in there, you know? I'm talking about, and then of course, cinnamon is always good. You don't want to put a lot, but you know, a good amount. You see it in the middle, Mike?
Oh yeah.
You haven't broken yet. So if you can see it, it's not broken.
That's
it's
so
a
cool.
juice.
This is a tornado of
Exactly.
cinnamon. A cinnamon
You keep on
tornado.
staring. And
Nutmeg
this,
swirl.
ladies, you know, change arms if you want is good.
Good exercise.
Because it's good exercise and you build muscles on your arms and you get rid.
Build that muscle.
Come on,
build
come
that
on.
muscle.
You get rid of that flabby thing there. You
No
see?
flab. Look at that. No flab.
You know? And it straightens your arm so you're working out at the same time. You're doing yourself a favor.
Yeah.
You're eating food. You're in control of what everybody's eating or not eating.
Yeah.
You know? And you're working out too. And let me tell you guys, this juice is fantastic. Oh, let me see what it tastes like, Mike. Just a little bit like on my hand like that, I know, guys.
That's the real way to drink it.
Wow. That is very good. So anyways, this is how you make it. And then I'm going to show you how to serve it, okay? Hold on a second, guys. Let me take a little baby glass.
Baby glass, baby glass.
I go, where you play so much?
Well, because you said baby glass. By the way,
You guys
everybody.
know that Michael loves to be playing.
That's right.
That is
And make
so
sure you
good.
hit that like button, guys.
Okay, guys. So anyways, let me get me a straw from over here. What
Straw it up, straw it
Let's
up.
do,
The biggest straw.
no, a big one, Michael?
Yeah, show them.
Or
Bring
a little
him
one.
over
A
here.
yellow one because it's summertime is coming. you know.
Summertime,
Something that represents the things.
summertime.
And now I'm gonna serve myself
Oh yeah.
some oatmeal. It's gluten free.
Look at that, guys.
You're only gonna be drinking the fat that you're gonna be drinking is nothing
that is
more
so pretty.
than the calories from the sugar that you put. If you don't want to put any sugar, fine. I like it with sugar. This is one of the few things that I can have. God bless. Blessed be. And let me see what else. And this is our oatmeal and OJ. And a lot of people, they put more juice. This one is lighter because it's just made. It's just oatmeal and juice. A lot of people use regular milk. But I think this is better for you because it doesn't have that real milk or carnation milk. It bloats you. This is not going to bloat you. This is oatmeal milk from scratch,
That's
from your
right.
oats.
Beautiful.
So this is refreshing and you just like,
Look at it, everyone. You gotta make this recipe.
So you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. Love us on Facebook. Google Plus, Pinterest.
Tumblr.
We're everywhere. Tumblr. If you go down below and press on the link, that will take you to our Patreon page. What if you love us, you can donate $1.
Or not.
But if you can't, then don't worry about it. We still love you. We still appreciate you watching us and tuning in with us. And with that said, thank you and have a blessed day.